Welcome to this technical guide on the HP 15EG. We are Kelatos Informatica, specialists in technical repair. We collect your device from your doorstep, carry out a free diagnosis, and send you a quote before any repair. No phone calls, no trips to the shop. We are based at Calle Joaquín María López 26, Madrid. Convenient, transparent and professional. Link in the description. If your HP 15EG is running agonizingly slow and takes forever to open anything, you're not alone. This is a common issue that can stem from various factors, such as a failing hard drive or simply too many background processes. If left unchecked, it can lead to further complications and a complete system failure, making it even more difficult to retrieve your important files. For this repair, you will need a Phillips screwdriver, an anti-static wrist strap, a plastic spudger, and a new hard drive, ideally an SSD for improved performance. To begin, ensure that your device is powered off and disconnected from any power source. Flip the laptop over and locate the screws securing the back panel. Use your Phillips screwdriver to carefully remove these screws, placing them in a safe location. Once the screws are out, use the plastic spudger to gently pry open the back panel. Be cautious as there might be clips holding it in place. Now, with the back panel removed, identify the hard drive. It's usually located towards the center of the device and will be connected via a SATA cable. Carefully disconnect the SATA cable before unscrewing the hard drive from its bracket. Make sure to note the type of screws used, as they may differ in size. As you remove the hard drive, be gentle to avoid damaging any nearby components. If at this point you feel it's getting too tricky, remember that at Kelatos we collect your device from your door and return it fully repaired. Once the old hard drive is out, take your new SSD and secure it in the bracket using the screws you removed earlier. Reconnect the SATA cable, ensuring it's firmly in place. Now, it's time to reattach the back panel. Align it carefully and press down until you hear the clips snap back into place. Replace the screws you removed earlier, ensuring they are tightened but not overly so, to avoid stripping the screws. Now that everything is back together, power on your HP 15EG to check if the issue is resolved. If it boots up quickly and applications launch without delay, you've successfully repaired your device. To prevent this problem from reoccurring, consider regularly updating your software, running system maintenance, and monitoring your hard drive's health. If you'd rather not risk damaging your device, at Kelatos we collect, repair, and deliver back to your door anywhere in the UK. Link in the description.